So, you forgot the password to your Kali Linux machine, and now you can't log in? Don't worry, we've all been there at some point. But before you think about reinstalling the entire operating system, there is a way to reset that password. Let's take a look at how to do it. Here we are at the Kali login screen. And as expected, we can't log in. Alright, first step, restart the machine. As the machine reboots, you'll see a GRUB menu pop up. Press any arrow key to stop it from auto-booting. Now, highlight the option on the screen and press E to edit the boot entry. This screen shows the boot instructions for the system. Scroll down to the line that starts with Linux. This line tells the system how to boot and with what settings. We're going to make two changes here. First, find letter R, O letter, which stands for read-only. Change R, O to RW to allow read-write access to the file system. Then at the end of that same line add init equals /bin/bash. This tells the system to load straight into a bash shell after booting. Once you've made those two changes, press Ctrl X or F10 key to boot using the modified settings. You'll now be dropped into a root shell, with full access to the file system in read-write mode. From here, just type passwd and press Enter. You'll be prompted to enter a new password for the root user. Set your password and press Enter. Retype your password again and hit Enter. Want to reset another user's password instead of root? Just run passwd, your username. Once you're done, reboot the system by typing the command on the screen. Or if you're in a virtual machine, you can use the reset option from the VirtualBox or VM menu. As the machine boots up normally, head back to the login screen and enter the new credentials. And just like that, you're back in your Kali machine. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.